Welcome. In front of me I have Realme 6i, and today I'll show you how you can check your battery temperature. So at the first you have to open Play Store, go for the search pool, and we have to download application Ampere. This one. So when you download, you have to simply open it. And when you swipe on the right, you will get the same data, but on the other theme. You can also check the other ones. So if you like this one, you can stay and read data from this one, but I prefer this. And in this place, we can find battery temperature, as you can see. You can also check it while you're playing or when you charge your phone. You can also check here other data. And yeah, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.